Okay. All right. So we're messing around with the Hunters Guild, which is interesting because scenes sort of have to be tailored to it or they bug out the game. So it's kind of figure out what we want to do to deal with that. Let's see what it currently is acting like. Okay. So those in progress ones show like if I show the portrait, it really screws things up. So boop boop. So that's fine. But those super aren't fine. Welcome. Yeah, you're cool. You're cool. No jobs. I wonder if that's gonna be hard to test though. No, it's not. We can test that. Doop 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 doop. That one would be fine. That one would be. Nope. 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 Basically, like one of the things I found is if you put a portrait and in the guild text, it gets very angry. Because this scene, one where it has this menu up. So you have to be very careful what else you do with the text routine. Boop, 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 boop. From 0. And that's one thing, like, should I do that here? This, continuation, because that might screw things up. Because, yeah, this is blank right now. Let's check out the original. Let's see. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, see, it does not do that. So, that's a bug. I love that. So let's just add just no choice adds a dialog continuation. So boop boop. Boopy today. All that in progress. Because we'll work on it. Alright. What else is weird? Yes to 0. And we're good. Now it's progress. So those could probably show a portrait without dying. Oh. Excuse me. One interesting thing. Hunters. Oops. Like somewhere here, they like had a portrait in one of the dialogue scenes, and they like manually skipped it in the code. No, that's not it. Which was super interesting. Instead of editing the dialogue, so it tells me that like the programmers and the dialogue people worked very separate, and the programmers are like, I'm gonna fix your dialogue that I know has this thing in the code rather than in the dialogue data, where it would have been so much easier. So that's funny. Ooh, tab width. So that's somewhere in here. I can't find it right now. That's fine. All right, let's see what else is weird. I can't really test that much without like manually adding flags, but we can do that. Just have to open up a different emulator. Well, apparently that broke it. I have to emulate the emulator, sort of. I'm on Mac, and it requires the window. So it's a little wonky. such a fancy emulator, and it doesn't let me just turn down the volume a little bit. Okay. Yeah, we can poke around RAM here and play with different scenarios. Sorry, this is tiny. What do we want to test? All the things, which is a lot. So, okay. Use for constants. Boop, boop, boop. Hunters Guild. Where is it? Here we are. Ranch owner. Wild sandworm. Okay, so let's just set that flag. Find where that one is. 1B. Boop, boop. And then event flags. Event flags. Where? Oh, man. Where is that offs flag? So 1B. So F1 1B. F1 1B. Find that guy. Oop. Oh, but these are hard. I have to do like weird math to figure out which one to hit. Wah. But alright, I figured this out before. Let's just pause this. A little less annoying. Alright. Fair enough. Son of a... maybe it's... Yeah, here it is. Alright. Indian, so byte offset is its flag. Okay, so if it's a handy calculator, actually we'll just use node terminal here. So the flag was 1B, right? 8, that work? Okay, so 3, remainder, what? 7 minus. So 3 with 3 remaining, 7 minus 4, minus 3 is 4, byte offset. So that's going to be where did I say that was? Yeah, F1 0 3 and then bit 4. Let's just check that flag again. Yes, 1B. Yes. Cool. All All right. F103, bit 4. Beep beep. 103, bit 4. Oh, and what does that mean? Beep. This one I need. 2 bit. Like legit bit 4? Or like, is that 0 indexed? We're going to just say that it is. And 1 0. Let's try that. So what do I, let's start the quest first. Oh my god. Sometimes this emulator just freaks out, and I sure hope it's the emulator and not some crazy bug, but I never have this happen in the other emulator. And this one is got this crazy compatibility layer, so I'm going to blame it on that. Okay. Pause the other music, so it's not so annoying. Okay, so step that. Okay, now that bit 40 is set. We need to, from 40, add the 4th bit, which would be 50. Change that. Boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. I did this right. Should now say that I completed it. Of course, it's broken again. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, let's try something. Close this out. Close workspace. Clean. And then just load one window. Just that. That helps. What in the world? Crashed. Lovely. Do that again. Yeah. See. Well, that's crazy. All right, let's go back to that. F103 changes to 50. Should get different dialogue. My math is right. Progress. It is not right. Weird, I thought JavaScript had an operator for that. Oh well. Wah. So I'm completely failing. 1b divided by 8. 3. Exactly? No, this is not showing the remainder, of course. 3 remainder 3. 7 minus 3. Hit 4. This is not right. Okay. Unless something else is wrong. That one makes sense. That 1a. Well, we can reduce. Well, let's reverse engineer this because we know that one changed it to 5 0. Boop boop, which was over doop boop. What? 4 0. 4 0. Sorry. So do I have the bit wrong? Is it 8 minus? Let's see if we change it to 6 0. That helps. Man, it's messed up again. Very odd. Doesn't make me feel good. Wait. Okay, try again. Okay. Boop. Boop boop. 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 Progress 0. No, didn't do the trick. What in the world? That's C0. Nope. Alright. Oh. Oh, because I'm 2 off. No? Alright, let's go check the data again. Boop boop. Who's killed data? Ranch owner. The ranch owner. Oh, Sandworm. Yeah, it's 2 off. So actually, maybe my math is right. Maybe something else is bugged. Jobs. Ah, yeah, it is. So I found a bug. These are in the wrong order. Oop. Set flags, job available. Stage in. Available, in progress, completed. Oh, start flag, complete. Ah, yeah, those are asking to be confused. Yeah, I should name those differently. It's very easy to mix up. So this is like you did versus like E flag. I don't know. Turned in flag. recorded flag. I'm not crazy about that. Stick with that for now. That was one bug. Okay, we're gonna run another compile. Serves me right for not having really written any tests for this. So let's fix that. Boop, 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 boop. Hello, Copilot. That's a lot of BS. All right, let's see, what kind of tests do we want to do? So test that your guild compiler generates job data for flags and dialog. Money table. And then, yeah, guild text for jobs. These are like kind of bulky tests, like they're going to end up testing a lot of things. I typically like to make a little more fine-grained. But basically the contract got, we can do stuff for the receptionist. Yeah. Test generates, nope, constant. Start from dialog, receptionist. We can test that the constants refer to receptionist, refer to the right receptionist. Dialog IDs. Right. What else do we need to do? About let's just get going here. So we're going to configure a guild. Requires a program. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. We need a guild for the map. Guild map. What? And start with that. So program.configure Hunters Guild. Map guild. Map. Boop. Hunters Guild. And yeah, might be cool to just test some of the default stuff. How was I don't really work. I haven't really worked on this API yet. No, they're mutable. Sadly. Well, let's just start with the defaults. And then expect ASM field check. Without comments, without empty line. And let's just do the first. Right. Head, just for now. We know what we want that to look like. Well, not even that. Yeah, okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Job data. And then boop, 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 boop. Did I have iterator? Yeah. Public. And what is that? Is that a line that it returns or ASM? Yeah, it's an intro. Oh, no. I just made a weird API, but that's fine. So this is going to be DCFE. Yeah, this is what we want to test. Just that we got these flags right, because they're wrong. Constant. Event flag for the ranch owner. Actually, yeah, we can be smarter about this. Over here, beep, 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 beep. There we go. I'll probably be right now, hopefully. Yeah, I fixed it. That's good. For flags, yeah, so maybe what we should do to test this instead of being, well, except I do care about the layout, like the line breaks and stuff. So we'll test that too. Flags and dialog for, let's do just flags. Progress flag. Then we'll do availability flags. Availability flags. So job 1 default. The Alice found. This one. Boop. Oops, I just copied from. I mean, it's kind of funny that it failed anyway. But I didn't change that. We want to copy from here. Extra paranoid. Oop. Okay. That's good. The dialogue going to make a little bit different because we want to know what dialogue IDs uses. It's going to be modestly tricky. But pause here because I'm kind of more interested in like less than is all of this logic robust, and more like am I completely off on all of this? Like this part's easy. It's just bytes. That's not a problem. It's more the weird bugs I was seeing, so I want to make sure that I don't have any other totally wrong assumptions. We're gonna do a build. Did I just do a build? Yeah, we're gonna test that build. And make sure we're even remotely on right track. So for example, we should just be able to go here now and, so I say 4.0 was the in progress. Oop, yeah. And now we're gonna try our math again. See if we get the same thing for because the 1a, so if we do 1a over 8, and then remainder 2, 7 minus remainder 2 is bit 5, 3 bit 5 would indeed be wrong. So it must have been 8 minus remainder. It's 6. Trying to make more sense. No, don't think it would actually. 8 was remainder 8. 8 wouldn't happen. Remainder can only be 7. Maybe that's why. Then we would never get. That'd only be the remainders. 7. That'd be the remainder is 7. Yeah. No. No, something doesn't make sense. Byte offset. Maybe that is right. There's no remainder. I don't know, actually. I don't know why this is 4-0. But if that is the case, 1A, then 1B would be this, and 8 minus 0.375 times 8, hit 5. 6-0, so this should think that I've completed the quest now. It's freaking, I don't know why it does that. Sure hope it's not our buggy code. Wonder if I could do a test. Let's think. Anyway, we'll just cut to the chase. Boop boop, 6-0. Progress! Why am I so off with this? Did I not generate the right thing still? Kill jobs. Correct. Now. File sandworm. File sandworm. 1B. My other option, it's got to be one of these settings. My option is that, C0. Hit offset. Guess let's go through this math again. So the flag is 1B. Right. So move that to D2. Hit offset. So logical shift right. 1B. Beep, beep, beep. 3. What we expected. Last bit to get to test. 1B. B. 1B. 7. Equals 3. What we expected. Get in the first place. 3. 3. Meet fix to select. 3 again. No. This moves D1. D0 is 3. D2 is 3. Subtract D2, D1. I always forget the order of this dumb stuff. But D2 from D1, that's D1 minus D2, which is 7 minus 3, 4, 1. Now test bit 4. Why would... That's what I thought before. 1B over 8, 3. 0.375 times 8 is also 3. And 7 minus remainder is 3. So, this was right. what I don't get is why. Do the in progress text? It does, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Maybe I just have some other bug. That's totally possible. I also don't get why. I do 4-0. I'll say that again. Run. Does. And is that what we'd expect for 1A though? 1A over 8. That's 3. Yeah, and then 7 minus 2. Bit 5. I think is actually what we have here? No, that's bit 6. Where is going on? Maybe this is messed up. Could be. Oh, no, because I'm doing the wrong thing. That over 8 would be 1. Right, now 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, here we go. So that's why I'm done. This is fine. It's actually that one and bit 4. 5-0. Original thing that I put, but I just had a different bug. Such is life. Done! Yeah, oh right. So this is the bug I was talking about. It's gone wonky. It's gone super wonky. Ah! So, alright. That's fine. Getting there. Alright. On job board cannot have that speaker. But this is kind of like, man. There are lots of ways to go about solving this. First of all, yeah, there's that one too. Okay. All right, we need to deal with this portrait thing first. That's a bigger deal anyway. So, portrait during Hunter's Guild dialogue. Blade. Options. One. Edit assembly to handle this. Two. Remove portraits in filer. Three. Just don't add portraits. Well, don't actually know what breaks it in assembly. Let's just take a peek at that. Text scroll code portrait. Maybe it's this, the run updates during dialogue, but I don't sort of doubt it. Maybe it's this. Off a stick. No, onto the stick. Hmm. Wonder. Like it gets rid of the window. I don't know why. It wouldn't be that. It wouldn't be that. jobs. Creates a window. Welcome. Right, it works fine here. And it's only after this is done that it's really unhappy. A routine. That just changes that variable. I'm gonna guess is irrelevant. Probably checking if we're in an event or not. Build routine. Pointers. What? Really? Player menu. Well, we're not in player menu, so whatever. 0. It's not 0, which would just delete it. We go here. Otherwise, go to the end. Branch subject. Back. Yeah, okay. Okay. So this is like a separate thing. Control code actions. Yeah, it's used for other things. It's like fill a window. Maybe this thing is set. This is the thing about it, analyzing the assembly though. Like you don't know. You spend some time with it, whether it's going to be worth your time. It does seem somewhat under-documented because there's all these random addresses. Aren't obvious what they are for. But okay, 2 zeros, there's some portrait. We go here. Test this magic variable, and if that's not set, go here. Otherwise, we branch to our magic window close routine. That's interesting. I wonder if we set that stupid bit. As 0 doesn't close anything. Huh. And if it's 0 here, we don't close anything. So, oh, interesting. So I guess it, you know what's funny about this too, though? Like, I don't think you actually need these dialog windows at all. You can't tell. Do I still have an emulator up? Yeah, like when that little dialog thing comes up here, the portrait, like it shows the dialog frame, like the blue background framed thing. And then it loads the portrait graphics on top of that. It actually just completely obscures the window. So one thing we could do, we got really crazy, to see if we just don't bother with that, creating a window at all. Like this part. We just like said, nah. How crazy would that be? And then for this part, we just said, nah. Should probably break a lot because that's used from other routines. Like, is it? Oh, no, it's not. It's only used here. Okay. Fascinating. I wonder if we did that. Because, all right, puts that on the stack. Up, up. And then it pops it off. It doesn't change these. Let me make this hand edit in the we just don't have to do a sync. Oof. This is terribly uncomfortable. Could be this too. Definitely mess with it. But I don't think so. We're gonna comment that out, and we're gonna comment this one out, and just see what happens. Maybe nobody cares about that. The graphics just load on. I wonder how it gets rid of the graphics though. Maybe that's how it does it. Yeah, I might have broken like not a portrait coming up. But we'll see. I think there's a dialogue somewhere in there that I can try out. Go to the other emulator. Trial time's getting longer. One of these guys talks about yeah. Okay. That doesn't do the trick. I agree. That's kind of funny. I guess you can sort of see the frame too. Something looked a little different. All right, so I guess it's when you but let me just see if that's the problem with the gift. Oh, but did I add that back to the firewall? I think I might have. Oop. I think it's there. So, yeah, I think that does fix it because Jobs has the portrait code So one option. Add some flag. Huh. How does it work with the? Let's look at window destroy. I think the problem must be that I bet window destroy like just gets the last window. Yeah. So it could maybe also be fixed by yeah. Like the last one. So because this, like we load this one, then the portrait, the job window, the portrait goes to change it. When you have the code, it doesn't care that it's already there or not. It just tries to remove the window and then put another one on top. Let's remove this one. And then, oh, yeah. And that's why the stuff gets offset differently. Because it uses the window position of the last open window to write this text and stuff. So that makes sense. All right. Let me go back to my options. So in assembly edits, one would be targeted to portrait window creation. It's probably hard. Would probably also need to make the job window targeted well. One be make sure the job window is not on the top of the window stack. So one thing that's funny is why does it think that there's a because it has this check. Does this? I would think that this is actually true. And then the question is, why is it trying to destroy a window? Assume that it is. Yeah. All right. There's another test. Is it trying to do that? Is it just the creation problem? Wouldn't be able to explain that, but you know. Boop boop. Our hand at it. Print. Yeah, so let's take out the destroy. Leave out the destroy, yeah, and put back the create. This works, then we're hitting this line, and I don't know why. It must be this. Ah, yeah, because it doesn't reset. Oh, shit. Yeah, sorry. We need to go back here. Hunters, go. Let's follow the order of events here. welcome dialog, get the dialog ID, create the dialog window, manually run text, which creates the portrait window. Sets that variable. Wherever that is. Oop. And how is this manipulated? That's in a different run text. Terminate guild windows. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Cutscene. Huh. I'm gonna have to figure this one out anyway because it's in some cutscene. What is going on here? Used quite a bit. Look at that. Huh. Spacious sabotage. What in the... Crash landing? Wow. Oh, when? Oh my goodness. So, yeah, we have to figure out what's going with this guy. Fun event. Yeah, this is important. So, if it's 0, yeah, right. This isn't happening because they just leave the portrait up, and then they create the job window, and that's why the job window is on top of the window stack. But so let's. I bet. Hypothesis. I bet if we added this here, it would work fine. It does work. Still the question of should we? Well, let's try. Now we're gonna have to change this 13 to name it something else. That's fine. That's fine. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, so... Alright, first I'm going to confirm this is in other dialogue routines. Like, yeah, that was the one that's copied. Yeah, boom. There it is. This is more efficient code. I like that. But there it is. And this we can just straight up copy. Because it also uses that pseudo labely thingy mabob. Oh, I love it. Okay. So we're gonna do that. And we're gonna do a hand edit here. I'll have to go through a whole long compile cycle. Losing my mind. Okay, we're here. Boom. We edited. Move the create thing. So let's go wild now. Generate a dialogue with these portraits. Here's its current compilation is indeed at 11. You know, because then we can like But creative, add other portraits, full client. Welcome, jobs. Yeah, got just not here. That is that's expected, I think. Got some extra things to. I'd like to add that. Yes, no choice, I think, adds an additional empty dialog entry. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, yeah, I see lots of portraits and such, so let's file that. Oh, you can do or say. Let's do that. Let's do that. That's kind of fun. Boop. Boop. We'll get back to there. Boop. Boop, boop. All right, so I guess like window is just used to, yeah, the deletion of the window must just like reset that area in the map VRAM mappings. That must be the important part. Okay, welcome. Yeah, see, that worked. It's just flickery. Why is it flickery? And then, all right, that's because I needed to add it back there. But why is it so flickery? Oh, I needed to add it to the other spots. Just like that one I kind of expected. So the question is it too flickery? You like that it goes away and then comes back? And is there a way around that? All right, what if we just cleared this anyway? I don't know. All right, let's add it to more places. See what the full effect is. to make a little macro for it. Guild fun text. That for now. Macro. I wonder if you can anyway, let's just keep that for now. Post build run text. Boop boop. Boop boop. Boop. Context. Boop. Whoa. That was it. Oh, I have this wrong. Terminate guild, no portrait. I should label this. That over here. Okay. All right, so now that we added that everywhere, we're going to observe. That feels like, if it's very odd, we'll reconsider. Very odd indeed. Right, because it runs that, clears the portrait. That's what it's supposed to do. Done. So pop it back up manually. Wanted to. But like we figured out the problem at least. So that's good. Now we have options. Basically want to make sure these scenes always end with the guild lady saying something. Well, we could just have it so we just leave the dialogue window up. And I'm bored. Jobs. So this is like after she talks, we get rid of it. We don't actually need to here. Because the window's already created. Right, so we got yeah, that one doesn't actually need it either. So we're just gonna like take it out everywhere again. And was the blinking that we saw before? Because what? Right, because of the what? Oh, that's it goes here, and it's like, hey, is there a window? So kill it and come back. Maybe that's the blinkiness. But could be a compilation, because what we could do is here, when we're generating these scenes, for the ones that we know what the previous scene was, we could maybe start the generator. Don't know exactly how, but if we told the compiler, this generator class, that we know whatever portrait we last put, it's still there because we know that we wasn't cleared. So if it's the same portrait, don't just automatically don't generate the control code to put up a portrait, which we already do. That could work. I think we're getting somewhere. This might actually be viable. So, like, if you look at options, start looking at sort of pros and cons. Pro is we get to have fun with portraits in all of these scenes without worrying about bugs. And we can keep the compiler mostly the same, question mark. The con can't use portraits. So basically only the guild receptionist talk, which maybe we don't want to do that. And to get fancy with the compiler. The last one is brittle, but pro is D. Short turn? Question mark? Fiddle. So these kind of like fiddle makes it sort of not easy. But I think we're close enough to handling it. I mean, we already see it working. It's good. And I think like that edit is kind of something. Yeah, we're not going to do that. This is sort of what we're pursuing by moving the dialogue, moving the portrait before we add the chopper. The only part that it makes then janky, restart that, is I think the very first one, because it just doesn't continue over. Like, how much do we care? How come? So it would come back. We could also one thing we could do is make it a little more less weird, because like the text stays up and then the portrait goes away, so it's like disjointed. We get rid of the text too. Why not? And then actually that would be interesting. We could just close the window out. Well, except this one. It's kind of cool that it hangs around. I don't think it would really be a big deal if we closed out the window. I wonder if we like let two actually had two portraits being displayed. No. Would it work? I guess I would think that it would not. Yeah, because of what would happen when we remove the top one, the other one would show. So the only con, basically, of this is it's difficult with this option is that the portrait dialogue doesn't continue right into the job board showing. I just feel like that's not a big deal. Might even kind of have a nice aspect to it. I don't think that's such a problem. So let's go try that. And then it would make you'd just be able to actually use. Where are we? So on the welcome thing here, we would instead of this all this nonsense, I think. Oh. Well. Job board. Window stack would be different. Get rid of something. So it would be like, so if we like choose J, dialogue, and E. So starts out, it's dialogue, portrait, those go away, it's the job board, and job board dialogue, dialogue portrait, dialogue, job board. Go through all those, and nothing. I think that's fine. We can just like layer dialogue stuff on top of the job board. Way simpler. Everybody's happy. So in that case, we just so like good. Just use getting on dialogue here. Because look how it's already just like basically copy and paste this stuff anyway. So that stuff, but we'll try it for giggles. We often use 3. So I'm going to use this one. Oh, gotta sneeze. So, boop, boop, boop. So we do that. And we'll bring this stuff back. Boop. The next time we need to run text. Okay, so this needs to load the window. Needed that anyway. Boop, boop, boop. Right. I want to create. Yeah. So this brings back the window, which begs the question. No, but we don't want to get rid of the window. That's why we're doing it this way. After this point, but that's fine because you always get to this point, right? Because she does the welcome. I guess we would just have to. Well, show jobs. Yeah, so it always does the welcome dialog. Boop, boop, boop. Except it doesn't. Or does it? What happens if you finish quest? In progress. And then returns. And it actually does get run dialog. That's why. Okay. This is the same thing. It returns. You go talk again, and you get to show jobs. So that's fine. So we're just gonna do a boop 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 there. Then we create the job window. Just putting it on the bottom of the window stacky stuff. Ooh. That might break some things. I wonder. Because yeah, that might break some stuff, but we'll see. Just learn it. The index. Is that because if that's like the current number of window, that would put the text in. But saved window in. That's a thing. So let's window destroy, see something. No, it's not exactly that. Huh. Huh. I wish there was more comments around this. Like the window index we're operating or something. this is the one that's interesting. This is the same kind of thing to write yes, no. Alright, so yeah, next hypothesis is that I think adding this here breaks the guild text. Maybe? Whenever it shows. But maybe it doesn't go back there. So alright, we'll just see. Alright, so this runs text, creates a window, runs the text, and then we could not get rid of the portrait, and then in the compiler say that. We know these scenes where that wouldn't happen. Next one. That's the one where we created it. So here, select job. I'm just gonna run the text. I'm not gonna kill the window anymore. Job, keep dialog. Oh, this is just part of select job. Select it. That's right. Whatever last window up, or after you pick yes, no, and then it goes back. The load job cursor boxes if you pick no. We might want to close the window in that case. Yeah. We could make this work, probably. But what do you want to do here after you pick yes or no? Pick no. So if you pick no, we should probably kill the portrait, kill the dialogue. Goes back there. Yes. It closes everything. It doesn't matter. I'm going to keep that one for now. I suspect that's broken if you pick no. Same thing here. But this is okay. We know when it goes back here, so we can... Yeah, it goes back. Goes back. Yeah. Alright, let's try this build. It's gonna be bugged. But, if it's bugged in the ways that we expect, we might be in business. Moment of truth. Welcome, Moses. That was a substantial delay, but I'll take it. Oh, it's probably the loading map chunks thing. We don't need to do that. But that's cool. I don't mind. Don't mind how that works. So so this stays up. When we select this, yeah. See, that breaks. That's what I expected. See how the alignment of those dots is broken now. That's expected. It happened again. Yeah, it creates the window. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Because we have more things on the window stack now. Okay, but I think we can deal with this. We could also, when it goes back, to load cursor boxes. After it shows, yeah, it already creates a job. So yeah, it just resets that. Yeah, we just need to clear out the dialog windows. All right, I'm gonna take a break, and we'll maybe have time to poke around that. It's also getting late, so we'll see. I'll decide when I get back.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Check it out.
So let's outline the strategy here. Dialogue, portrait, move forward, and start there. What we need to do, though, is make sure that because this creates a dialog window, when it goes back to the job board, we need to remove all of those cases. I think. And then when we go back to this, yeah, she says that part again. So the question is, well, no, we don't need to destroy. We just, well, but it loads this dialogue afterwards. I want her to be fine if we. Alright, but I think everywhere that we have that macro, we could just. Oh, I wasn't looking at the right spot. Remember where we have this macro? I think we could. Darn this stuff. Thanks for that, glorious miss. Cheers. All right. So, loading this, leaving the window up. Here we terminate. If we just select the job. Actually, no, if we just do the goodbye, it should just work. Let's test that. Oop, farewell. Yeah, that works. And again, little, and then it reloads the thing. That again, we can fix that. Ooh, can we though? We might, all right, so let me go back to the notes. Once the dialog window is shown, any sequences reuse that. Dialog window, optional portrait. Portrait are shown. We'll reuse that. And these sequences, or less sequences, many scenes. These scenes. But if we know the dialogue, the scene for it, we can avoid, what do you want to call that? Jitter? Portrait jitter? I don't know. Portrait blinking? If, or by starting the scene compiler with that known memory. Memory. Last portrait. Last dialogue. back around here. Doesn't really have to get rid of the dialog window. The job board is already shown. But so we could somehow test or we could create the window ahead of time. Basically where we instead of creating it over and over again. Here. Maybe. Actually, all the way up here. So we create this, and then like right after we create that, we create the dialog window again. We pop. That goes on this stack. Doesn't really matter, I think, anyway. This would help, I think. Might want to clear some text, but we'll see. Alright, so that might have been all we need to do. So that leaves any portrait up here. And then, right, the problem is other things add a portrait. So if we can simulate what we want to generate and see how it works before we go through all the trouble of generating it. Here it is. All right, so like we know no, I guess that won't work. Let's try the original idea, and then if that we don't like that for some reason, we can. So, boop, boop, boop. All right, so this one just terminates windows. So, select job. Need to make sure that this thing is going to create an extra portrait window. This is the goodbye dialog. Portrait up. Because that's sort of like we sort of sustain it for a while. to open. Oh, right. We leave that flag open though, so we could never stack those too many because we know that that flag set, if there's another portrait, kills it. Begs the question if in that magical bit, like we couldn't just store the ID of the portrait and then rather than just saying whether or not there's any portrait at all, test if it's the same one and then not do anything, just no op. That would be kind of cool. It would require pretty exhaustively poking around where that address is used. So this guy, yeah, because moves a byte there. So it should be really safe to do that. Does anywhere move anything other than a byte there? Would be clear. That just clears it. The one challenge would be sometimes it only clears like one bit of that something, which is annoying. But I mean, it's only ever moving one there, so I wonder if we could. That would help with the whole thingy portrait or not logic. I saw that, but now I don't know if I'm clear. Oh, that's what that is, because it only clears the first bit, I think. Test and bit and clear a bit. So it's on. So yeah, wouldn't really work. Class. Nah, it would require changing a lot. Fortunately. But anyway, I digress. Alright, so terminates, that should be fine. That's what we tested. It did look fine. So let's find the next run text. Keep. Yeah, this is just select job. And then what do we do after this? We terminate. Unless we go here, in which case we want to destroy everything. That's what we were talking about before. So we go back here. So before we do that, should dialog. So boop 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 boop. Yeah, just We don't even need, we just need to do this. So let's like move that down. Boop, 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 boop. I would do it more quickly rather than like fading it out or like shrinking it out. Maybe that's better. Keep things moving. We'll see. But that should fix the doubly stuff. And then, because we go back around, and this terminates, so that's all good. Run text. This goes back around, so same deal. Wait a second. Is it just like I was saying before, where every time we have this, we actually just want to close everything? Test that theory. We don't want it here. All right. Yeah. We don't want it here. We wanted it here. Yeah, so it's everywhere that we have this. We're just going to edit this macro, as we kind of expected before. And we'll just plop it there. Get rid of that. Boop. 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 Oops. Ah, and the what? Okay. Job board, yeah, keep it up. Yep. All right, let's try that. Okay. Oh, good. I gotta get rid of that load chunks thing. Jobs. Boop. Job 0. No. No 0. Jobs. I wonder if we could. It's a little annoying, so I kind of get why they do this, but we might be able to make it better by changing the render mode of the window. So here, we create that guy. Let's do that. That's better. That's much better. It's just the It's just the blinking now. That's not too bad. Whoops, I broke something. I broke something. What I break? Like job. Job selected. Fat. Says yes, job. So yes. Oh, I put that in the wrong spot. Oh. this code a little bit more than that. It was unconditionally doing that, so we need to. All right, let's do not equal. Can't just go right back there. We need to. How about if it's equal? Skip ahead, and then go to BSR, and then here like a yes, select job, yes, or select job, no. Shoot. Whoops. So what we actually want to do is not equal. You can put a dot select job. No. We put that down here because it's after this stuff branches away. That's fabulous. Job cancel. And then we'll put our post guild run text, which is very poorly named macro at this point. All right, one more build, and that's it for today. I think we will have mostly where we want to be. Yeah, I'm feeling that. Render text mode is a good ticket, because we could even like basically make it look like before, where there's no like visible transition. It's going to be sweet. All right, one more compile. Okay. Yeah. Welcome. Okay, no. 0 jobs. You say yes. Yes, 0. Okay, disaster. I don't know why that happened. Oh. Because that is branch. Oh. I needed to do that. Because it went, that broke the stack. Yeah. Yeah. Whoopsies. Yeah. Yep. Okay, one more. I'm actually terrible at assembly. But I think you're only like good at assembly if you do it like a lot. I wonder how long it took to compile the game in 1993. It takes me 50 seconds. Boop, boop, boop. Alright, I gotta try one more thing. I gotta try saying no first. That was the thing that corrupted the stack. Huzzah! Alright, we're on to something here. That's it for now. Tuned in, thanks. Cheers.